Hi, some people might know me because I make comedy videos. People laugh a lot and I enjoy that. But somewhere inside, I feel like something was missing. I wanted to talk about some real things, about life, about mindset, about what we are actually feeling inside. But honestly, I was confused. From where should I start? And the biggest problem is my English. I'm not fluent. I make mistakes. Sometimes I don't find the words, find the right words. I come from a small village, so I don't have even proper setup. I record my videos here. You can see in my fields, and but then I realized something. If I keep waiting for the perfect English, for perfect setup and perfect confidence, I will never start. So this is me starting. This is me starting anyway. Not perfect but real. If you are also trying to improve yourself or learning something new, then follow me. And if you are watching from YouTube, subscribe my channel Cryptic Spirit.